You still a Bitcoin bull?
Yes.
I want to end our conversation on that because I think it's the best performing asset class of the year.
Yeah.
Certainly one of them. It's up more than 100%. So what's your view of it here? And why has it been going up the way it has been recently?
There's a couple things. One is it's been real buying. So there's real money institutional buying. We can see it in the CME volumes at all-time highs. And we know Asia has been buying again, and they've been absent. So this is true people wanting to get in. It's been...
Hello there, everyone. My name is Squalo, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, this is some real serious stuff, but the actual title of the video is not clickbait. I will show you my $1 million short trade this time. Have I gone crazy? Well, please hear me out. So here we see, this is very important. This is basically, Tom Lee is saying that we actually have real institutional accumulation right now. That's why there is huge institutional, support for the price right now. Huge thing, to be honest. So then, you're going to ask me, Thomas, have you gone crazy? Are you shorting Bitcoin with $1 million? Are you crazy? So please, watch this video till the end, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's just dive straight into this. So we were saying, a lot of people getting very bullish right now, institutionals, and we are saying this institutional accumulation, all this. So everything is great. On-chain data is looking great. This is looking great. Everything is looking like the bull market is around the corner. Also, we have some good news from Hong Kong right now, which is actually quite huge, to be honest. So that it actually shows that Hong Kong is not backing down, and Hong Kong to allow retail access to spot crypto ETFs. So Hong Kong is not backing down. This is amazing. And based on all these news, a lot of people are projecting something like this. This is the current price action that we are saying right here. This is actually, this is the price action of November 2020 before the break of the key level of 12K. And then we just went into a parabolic run. And look how eerily similar the price action is. So and this is what a lot of people are expecting. And, just to give you some clue, when everybody's expecting something very similar, but we're going to get into this. So guys, I'm going to show you my $1 million Bitcoin short trade in just a second. And just as a quick reminder that currently we have sold out about 425 seats of Wolf of Retro Drops, which is starting on November the 30th. So if you want to learn how to do 10 to 30x in the next 12 months, regardless of where Bitcoin goes, using algorithmic retro drop farming. There is still a couple of seats left. We're going to be closing off the sales very soon. There is a link down in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment to this website right here, wolfofretrodrop.com/private, and everything is here. You can choose the package, you can read what it is, how it all works, etc. So join it. I'm not going to be doing Wolf of Retro Drops again ever, because if you don't get into retro drops now, you will never get into them at all, because the more people join in later on when it becomes very, parabolic in terms of hype in like 2024, 2025, the profitability will go down. So right now is our chance in the next 12 months to make shit ton of money, and thank you very much. So if you want to become part of this is your last chance. Link down in the description of this video. Join us, and I will see you at the Wolf of Retro Drops. The starting date is November the 30th, and the sales will close today, tomorrow, as soon as we sell all 500 seats, so less than 100 left. Link down in the description of this video. So now, let's get to this right here. Let's quickly do TA, because everything, like in terms of news, everything is looking beautiful. Everybody's very, optimistic, and all these price models, like everything like this. So I was looking at the price chart, and I was like, okay, so what do I see? If we zoom out, again, the same thing. If we zoom out, then we currently are standing at a very important resistance, which just has been this flag right here. So we're not breaking it yet. Also, what I see is that we have had a very huge extension to the upside, and we need some kind of distribution. This is just a smart money concept type of a thing. So if we zoom in again, then we're going to see this kind of a level that I told you in the previous videos is going to be a very important one. I also told you could start shorting from here. Again, very quick entry. But the most important support we have right here. So sometimes we have this explosion, BART pattern. Everybody expects the continuation for whatever reason, and then we actually see a down move, and this is where last people capitulate, and then we actually move off much higher. So this kind of a shakeout, which usually happens quite often. I mean, we've seen it also before. If we're just gonna zoom out into the daily chart, I mean, we've seen it right here, we've seen it right here, we've seen it right here. Who said we cannot have another one? And in my opinion, so then this is a very important point, guys. In my opinion, that unless, what could actually cause us to go much higher, much faster, and that is if we see real news, real confirmation of spot Bitcoin ETF, like real approval, grayscale, and this could be coming any minute, any day, any hour. This is something that could come in very unexpected. So full disclosure here. So therefore, if this would come out 100%, we would just pump far past $36, $37, $40,000. No technicals, nobody gives a shit. But this is what the market is expecting right now. And for longer we expected, if there is nothing happening, no new good news coming in, we could break this crucial support and actually go down to 33, 32, maybe even 31 to retest this upper slope for the market makers, their top range liquidity from the previous range, so to speak. So this is very possible. So for this reason, I was like, okay, let me degen into it. Let me assume that the big news will not come out in the next half hour or next hour, whatever, which is gonna like break this whole model. Let me get into this early, right at the potential, like, I mean, we could bounce off of it a little bit, do something else, and then finally break down a bit. And this is what I've put in. So basically, I'm going in, already a little profit here, $500. So anyway, a $1 million short trade over on Bybit right here. And basically, that's what I'm betting on. This is what I've just explained to you guys. So $1 million right here, as you can see. This is my trade over on Bybit. And guys, if you want an exchange you can trust, I personally trust Bybit. With my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can actually claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. You become part of crazy giveaways. Also, you get my paid crypto investing course, not my full trading education, but my crypto course, which is like $500. The value is $500. You can actually claim it using your UID in my Discord channel. Also, link to my Discord channel down in the description of this video. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. And you cannot get into it by paying money. You can only get into it if you're a Bybit or a BitGet trader and you've actually used my link either to Bybit or to BitGet down in the description of this video. And BitGet offers up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses. But the benefit of BitGet is that they still don't require KYC in select countries like Canada, etc. Some of the countries. So you can go and check. And then you use your UID and you put it in the Discord bot. Again, link down in the description of this video to my Discord channel. And this is where I post all of my trades. So by being a trader, you actually get a lot. You become part of an exchange that you would probably still use anyway. You get insane bonuses, deposit bonuses, and you become part of my community. You get giveaways, etc. So become part of everything. And then we're going to be taking these kinds of trades together on the same exchange that we personally trust. So now, just full disclosure, this is a $1 million short trade. I did not sell any of my Bitcoin. So that you understand, I never sell my Bitcoin. If I short something, it's a short-term short. I could get kicked out of it. Maybe. Who knows? Tell me in the comments if you think that this is going to be the trade number one losing trade that I post on YouTube this year. Because so far, I haven't posted a single losing trade on YouTube. Not a single one. So will this be the first one this year? Tell me. I posted some losing trades last year, but overall we still made money. This year, not a single losing trade, which is insane. They call me Mr. Spot On in the comments because there isn't too many YouTubers who haven't posted a single losing fucking trade in the whole year. And we are in November. So this is insane. So this is the first losing trade I've ever posted this year. And just, again, watch this video right here. It illustrates very well why I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'm trading short-term volatility. Certainly, it's just technical. If we don't see any good news continue, coming in abruptly, that's what I've just discussed, we will go down slowly some because this is just the market physics. This is just how it is. A lot of people are going long right here. A lot of people, a lot of volume. There's going to be a lot of liquidations. As moving past, especially 33.4, there could be an explosion to the downside and then actual continuation to the upside just to kick people out. Just market physics, again, unless we see this catalyst. And here, this explains very well why I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin, just short-term futures leverage trade.
Are U.S. Treasury bonds still safe to invest in?
Very much so. I think this is not an issue of credit rating. The United States can pay any debt it has because we can always print money to do that. So there is...
This dude is confused. He's like, man, do you understand that what you're saying right now makes no freaking sense? So this is how the United States is looking. That's the reason why I'll probably, most likely, never sell my Bitcoin, or at something like $200, $300, $400, $500,000. I keep accumulating Bitcoin because of shit like this, because this is exactly my face right now. When I see a guy saying, oh, we don't have a problem, we can just get out of any debt by creating more debt. Yeah, Captain Obvious. What a bunch of horseshit. Anyway, guys, check out this video right here where I explain, this is a 1-hour video which explains how retro drops work, how you can use them as a passive income, as an active income, but only for the next about 12 months. If you will be late to the party, don't tell me later I didn't tell you, because this can make you millions of dollars. Check it out, a full video, 1-hour explanation of how all of this works. This can change your life right here. Check it out. And as always, peace and love. Down, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.